We've asked everybody to bring pots and pans, to make noise for Gaza, and to echo the children in Gaza who have been screaming to be heard. Let me hear you make some noise.
Ah! 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 I won't wash my hands! Have you ever seen a scream before you heard it? I haven't. First I saw tears, then I saw the scream. I won't wash my hands! They're bombing hospitals, turning them into graveyards, salting the ground so nothing can grow. They are farming genocide, and we have been at this crop before. I won't wash my hands! I won't wash my hands. They're farming genocide. And the best way to perform genocide is to kill the families and make sure nothing grows on the land. She won't wash her hands. Because the only thing that remains of her children is blood on her hands after her house got bombed. I won't wash my hands! All she has is the blood of her children. Thank y'all so much.